Good evening, everyone. It's me again. It's January 30, Tuesday, at 6:57 p.m. Hindi ako nakapag video today because I kind of busy. So, I have no choice kasi I have to work. I have to work kaya hindi pwedeng unahin kung ano-ano. But anyway, today is the weather is 40 degrees. It's kind of chilly kasi medyo windy ng konti kaya but okay lang naman, we can handle it anyway. Dapat hindi ako magbi-video na ngayon kasi I'm so tired and I am feel down. Napakahirap talaga ng pinagdadaanan namin actually last night. We don't have enough sleep again because ganun talaga ako pag if I didn't take any medication for my sleeping, kahit na allergy man lang pill, talagang I cannot sleep. I don't know why. It's really hard talagang. There's a moment talaga na I feel down na I cannot control and me and my husband are the same. Talagang ganito yung buhay na namin yata, we cannot control that pagka-feel mo na you're not feeling good, talagang tinamaan ka ng sakit sa puso, talagang mahihit ka, wala kang exemption. Kaya we have no choice but to keep going, especially last night, since I cannot sleep, I end up like keep walking, kahit dun na lang sa room namin, quiet lang ako kasi ayoko sana madi-disturb kasi yung husband ko dahil na kung may trabaho the next day. But last night while I was, trying to stretching because I'm getting tired, laying down in the bed, kaya I decided to get up and do my yoga para lang makapag-stretch. So, narinig ko na he was crying and then I end up like waking up kasi alam ko ano siya, nananaginip siya. So, I feel bad kasi talagang nakita ko yung hirap ng asawa ko last night. He was like, talagang nagsasab siya, talagang hirap na hirap siya kasi ano daw, he had a dream about my daughter that my daughter, sabi niya, she misses us so much daw. Na-miss niya na kami ng husto, kaya umiyak siya ng umiyak kagabi. And nakakalungkot talaga kung iisipin talaga itong mga nangyayari sa buhay namin. Para bang hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan kami magsusurvive. But we have no choice. We have to survive. Magsusurvive kami. Alam ko yan na wala kaming choice but to wait din kung kailan din yung tamang panahon para sa amin. Pero so far hindi namin alam kung paano namin tulungan ng mga sarili namin. But I am so happy that I was doing this. So right now, talagang we're both talagang we feel anxious and talagang down na down kami at this time. Maybe because of the weather kasi yung weather is kind of, very depressing. So, napakalungkot. But, that's how we feel lang siguro. It's not like because, kasi yearly naman, ganito naman yung weather namin. Wala naman nag-change Pagka-winter talaga is ganito ang feeling. But, since nga may pinagdadaanan kami, kaya napakahirap talagang magbuhay ng normal. So, yun ang na-experience namin last night. So, talagang wala kaming tulog. But anyway, ganun lang talaga siguro ang buhay. Kaya wala kaming magawa but to keep going like I said. Anyway, na-busy naman ako today. Na-squeeze ko lahat ng mga chores ko, nakapagluto ako at the same time kasi we are lazy to go out kasi malamig nga. So, kahit na pagod talagang magluluto ka para meron kaming dinner. Pero like I said, ang niluluto ko lang naman during the week is yung mga easy ano lang na puwedeng, like an hour na maka-squeeze ko sa aking, schedule. So anyway, right now, I was doing this video and my husband went to the gym dito lang sa community para makapag-unwind siya because that's the only way that, if you feel anxious, if you feel down, exercise lang naman ang puwede namin gawin kung, wala na kaming ibang puwedeng gawin kundi yung exercise. We're trying to watch the movie but we are not, hindi kami masyadong, hindi namin feel to watch the movie kaya talagang it's very, very hard. So anyway, this coming weekend we have gig. Magtutugtog ang husband ko had a DJ this coming about I don't know, nalulungkot na naman ako kasi that place is my daughter's university. She went to Richmond, she went to that university. So makikita ko yun, madadaanan ko. I don't know if I have chance to vlog, I will do it. But it's up to my husband if he's ready to see all those places. But we were, hopefully we can stop by. Maybe just me and I want to see the place. I want to show you her apartments and the dormitory and the places that we used to go, like restaurant around the campus. So we'll see what's gonna happen on Saturday or Sunday maybe, because Saturday we're going and then we stay there overnight. We stay in the hotel and then good thing naman, the person who hired my husband is they provided all everything like the hotel. So kasi it's kind of far from our place. It's about like more than 100 miles away, so probably it's like more than an hour driving. So depends on the traffic. So that's what we're gonna do this weekend. At least we're going to be busy, and then the following week, we decided our group of friends. We decided to celebrate the Valentine's Day. So we're going to have a party. We rented a party room around here in my community party room. So same place. So we're going to have another party for the group para ma-celebrate lang yung Valentine's kahit na it's not easy for us, but we have no choice but to keep going. So at least may mga taong they're willing to do all this stuff. So mabibisi naman kami kahit papano. So yun lang ang ma-share ko sa inyo, like I said, kasi talagang it's napakahirap ng baka boring ng buhay namin at this time, kaya pasensya na kayo, but it's okay. We just keep going. Ako continuous pa rin yung sa mga yung sa aking I'm still joining sometimes once in a while for the group chat pag may time, and then I'm still doing my reels. I was still doing this blogging, everything ini-squeeze ko for my busy time just to keep going. So ganun lang talaga ang buhay. So anyway, at least this weekend we can do something. But as soon as the weather is start to get warm, mag-activities na kami. We already we're trying to prepare for this year sa mga pwede naming mapuntahan, like kahit na hindi siya very exciting, we're gonna do it anyway para lang magawa ko dito sa pagba-vlogging ko. So wait until gumanda yung panahon so we can do that. So for now, but if we stay around here, we're just gonna go to the parks and do some outdoor activities kahit na malamig, just like this weekend we went to the park. Kahit na malamig, I try to do some activities para lang hindi kami ganito, kasi talagang we have to find a way kesa sa masiraan kami ng ulo dito sa bahay, but nalulungkot ako kasi I have a very, very nice house, honestly. I appreciate this blessing, but like I said, hinihirapan lang kami kasi talagang, we don't know what we're gonna do to our life. Talagang gustong-gusto naming namang, enjoyin itong bahay namin dahil this is a big blessing to us na kahit papaano, kahit na hindi madali ang buhay sa ngayon, may maayos kaming mga kahit papaano trabaho at maayos naman ang aming tinitirhan. Kaya lang talagang hindi kami happy talaga, but what can I say, right? So ganun lang talaga. Anyway, sana marami kaming mapuntahan this year kahit papaano. Marami kaming plan, but hopefully mangyari kasi hindi rin madali mag-plan. So baka sakali na this time magkaroon kami ng energy to do all those stuff, but like I said, we were trying. So tomorrow Wednesday until Friday, I'm going to be very busy. So, but marami naman na akong kailangang i-upload dito. So I have chance to keep up for this week ng video para meron naman akong ma-share. Kasi alam nyo, hindi naman persahan nitong paggawa ko ng video. But the thing is, for me, I wanted to be like occupied lahat ng time ko, at saka I feel good if I release. Kaya ito yung talagang way ko to help myself para kasi ang feeling ko, if I open, like I express my feeling, it's a big help for me kasi talagang pag hindi ko ginagawa, talagang hirap na hirap ako. Kaya pasensya na kayo dahil ako na ilalabas ko naman yung sama ng puso ko sa social media. So I don't care what the people say. I don't care kung ano ang sasabihin ng ibang tao, but for me it's a big help for myself. Kaya hinahayaan ko na lang kasi talagang very hindi ko alam kung ano yung pwede kong gawin. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko tulungan yung sarili ko. Sometimes I'm okay, but most of the time I'm not. Talagang feel mo yung loneliness, feel mo yung feeling na hindi ko ma-accept why this thing happened to us. Hanggang ngayon, hirap na hirap kaming ma-accept na hindi na namin makikita yung anak namin. Para bang pinaparusahan kami every minute ng buhay namin. But alam ko naman, naiintindihan ko naman na hindi yun ganun kadali talaga, hindi yun ganun bilis mag-get over itong mga nangyayari. But like I said, kung wala kaming gagawin sa buhay namin, talagang we gonna end up na masisira ang ulo namin. Kaya ang hirap pa naman kasi wala kaming drive sa everything, wala kaming drive para gawin yung mga dapat para makalimutan namin lahat yung pain na nararamdaman namin. Para bang sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, wala kaming way but to, masaktan ng masaktan. Kaya hindi namin alam kung ano ang the best. But like I said, we're just keep going na sana malampasan namin lahat ng mga hirap na nafe-feel namin at this time. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang muna. Thank you so much. Pasensya na kayo at parang sobrang bigat talaga 'tong dinadala namin, but huwag kayong mag-alala kasi I'm trying just to show to some people na nahihirapan din katulad namin, na normal lang itong nararamdaman namin. Katulad ko, I'm so happy na nailalabas ko itong sama ng loob ko. Ito na lang yung way ko to help myself, na para ipaalam ko sa mga iba na magtiyaga lang kayo, pagtiisan nyo. Talagang ganito ang buhay na binigay sa atin. Kaya maging matatag lang tayo, maging productive lang tayo. gawa tayo ng way para tayo mabuhay ng maayos. Kasi, parang kung iisipin mo talaga ang nararamdaman ko right now, ang nafi-feel ko at this time, talagang napaka-useless ko ng tao, and what is the point that I'm still here? Kaya minsan iniisip na ang sakit sa loob ko na isipin na, bakit ano pa ang point na andito ako, pero hindi naman gano'n ang ang dahilan para para up, 'di ba? Kaya I keep going. So, sana sa mga tao ring nakakaramdam ng nagsa-suffer at this time, sana ano, mag-hope lang tayo na someday na magkakaroon din ng, matatapos din ang lahat na ito. Malalampasan din natin ang sakit na nararamdaman sa puso, at, sana sa lahat, 'wag kayong susuko, 'wag kayong, maggi-give up, kasi, nasa sa atin pa rin 'yan, eh, desisyon pa rin natin kung saan natin, dadalhin ang sarili natin. So, 'yun ang battle namin everyday ng asawa ko, gano'n talaga, wala kaming choice, but pasensya na kayo at, yung mga posting ko and everything, I'm trying to be, nice to everyone, to make sure na hindi kayo maapektuhan sa depression na nararamdaman namin. But like I said, ako, I'm a fighter. I know I can make it, and I know na lahat ng ito malalampasan. But like I said, talagang malaking, laban ito para, sa hinaharap naming, dadating pang, mga araw at taon. I don't know how long we're gonna stay here. Anyway, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for all the subscribers. And thank you so much for all the likes and shares. And please, for those people na, hindi pa subscribe, please do it. It's a big help for me. Na sana pagpatuloy nyo ang pagtangkilik sa mga ginagawa ko, kasi hopefully I was just hoping na mag-grow ako, na makita nyo how I manage my journey after I lost my daughter, because hindi yun madali. Siguro sa ibang tao it's very easy to say, but hindi pag nasa ganito ka ng posisyon, not unless na naandito ka na sa posisyon ko, and then saka nyo malalaman na totoo lahat ang sinasabi ko. Kaya sana habang happy kayo, just keep going, enjoy, and do everything to make you feel good and happy, lalo na sa pamilya nyo, sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay, to anyone. Just enjoy, kasi ngayon naintindihan ko ang buhay na tomorrow talaga is not a promise. Sana lahat nagawa ko sa anak ko, although, kahit na ganito lang kami, nagawa namin ang lahat ng maganda sa anak ko, but still it's not enough dahil she's gone too soon. So, talagang ang sakit ay hindi maaalis. So anyway, thank you again for everything. Thanks for all support, and hopefully lagi kayo andyan para guide kami sa mga katulad namin. Hindi namin alam kung ano ang gagawin namin sa mga tulad naming loss at this time. Talagang we battle every day. Nakikipag-battle kami sa hirap, parang daig pa namin ang nasa gera sa hirap. But anyway, ang hirap talaga ng yung emotion, and it's not easy. So please take care of yourself, and I will see you again next time. Take care everyone, and God bless us all. Thank you so much. Bye.